2 Treetop Terrace, located in Greenwich, Connecticut. This wonderful colonial has been refreshed and restored in the last 4 years. As you enter the main foyer, there's a powder room, entrance to the dining room, and entrance to the living room. All of the hardwood floors have been refinished. House has been painted. We just came through the formal living room with surround sound. And now we are in the kitchen family room, again with a wood burning fireplace. 2 doors to the outside and deck. Entrance to the lower level. A magnificent kitchen. Sub-zero side by side. Wolf gas range. Beverage center. Microwave drawer. Bosch dishwasher. Quartz countertops. And easy close white cabinets. And new lighting. Leads to the laundry room and mudroom with a separate door and sink. There are multiple pantries in the kitchen and a pot filler. Dining room has paneling, new lighting, recessed lights. Back to the main foyer. We'll head up to the second floor. Second floor has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a walk up to the 3rd floor attic, which can be finished. First bedroom has 2 double closets. All of the closets in the house have been customized. Linen closet in the hall, full bath with tub, 2 sinks, and another linen closet. Master has a large walk-in closet. Nice bright bedroom. Bathroom has a tub, separate shower, 2 sinks. All of the doors in the house are 6-panel wood doors, solid. 4th bedroom with another double closet. Walk-up attic with an additional 700 square feet, which can be finished. We'll take a run down to the lower level, which is finished, has multiple rooms, and comes with a pool table. Nice, bright, sunny house. So lower level is carpeted. Has a pool table, multiple closets, and multiple areas. If you want exercise, pool, TV room. And let's take a run outside. Take a look at the yard. 2 French doors leading out of the kitchen to the back deck. Back deck has a gas grill hookup. These magnificent rock gardens and side yard, which is fenced in. Nice level. Bilco doors that go to the lower level. You have central air, town water, gas, and town sewer. Thank you for visiting 2 Treetop. Please call with any questions.